Several years ago, a unique 8-wheeled amphibious vehicle with a steampunk style appeared in Moscow. This vehicle, named Argo, was designed and manufactured by Soviet designer Maxim Melnichenko and his colleagues at the Chelyabinsk Tractor Factory. It was unpainted and exuded a rugged vibe. This was not an official project, and at the time, Melnichenko was a unit leader responsible for hydraulic transmission work. As an avid hunter, he needed a vehicle capable of traversing forests, swamps, and other rough terrains. With the help of some colleagues and borrowing equipment and materials from the unit, he created the Argo, which turned out to be a unique piece. The Argo was an expensive creation with no consideration for cost. Despite its weathered appearance and numerous rivets, the vehicle was actually made of a high-strength aluminum alloy, possibly even an aerospace material. Its durability over the years without rust or decay demonstrated the exceptional quality of the materials used. The vehicle utilized an articulated structure, with cheek-shaped metal pieces covering the joint between the two body sections. The rear section housed the engine compartment, which was powered by a fuel engine driving a hydraulic pump. The vehicle's hydraulic transmission system was equipped with 4 compact hydraulic motors mounted on each of the 8 wheels. The exact model of these motors is unknown, possibly an experimental type at the time. The vehicle's top speed is unclear, but its 8-wheel chassis undoubtedly provided it with strong off-road capabilities. It was also said to be able to install short rubber tracks on adjacent wheels to travel on water, with the vehicle being watertight and equipped with a water jet at the rear. The front of the Argo consisted of a cockpit and a passenger compartment, with space for only one passenger. The cockpit had a streamlined design, with the driver seated on the left side and a single side door for entry, rather than the conventional 2 doors on each side, likely due to the obstruction of the wheels. The vehicle's doors and windows were sealed, indicating the presence of air conditioning equipment inside. The Argo was relatively small, weighing only 1.5 tons and measuring 4.53 meters in length. After its completion, the Argo became Melnichenko's personal vehicle, although the exact date of its construction is unknown, with some sources citing the 1950s and others the 1960s. What is certain is that the vehicle spent most of its time locked in Melnichenko's garage, and after his death, it was inherited by his daughter, who sold it in 2010. The vehicle changed hands several times, and in 2018, it was auctioned off with a starting price of 7 million rubles. However, due to its uniqueness, there was not much interest, and even if some parts were damaged, they might not be reparable.